A friend of mine just came to me and asked me, is this now a good time to enter the stock market in Pakistan? You know, stock market is really bullish these days. It's performing really well. The KSE 100 index has broken all the record, and on 29th November, it crossed 100,000 as well. So that's amazing. I'm going to cover the basics of stocks because this friend of mine has never invested in stocks. So the advice I gave to him, I thought it would be useful to many of you who are really interested in stocks because you know that it's making really good profits right now. So it's very important to understand the basics first. So I'll cover all of that in today's video. So watch it till the very end. So let's dive in. So what's a stock? Stock is a share. There are companies which are listed on a stock exchange, and these companies have got profits and losses. And usually people who invest in stocks, they're buying shares of these companies. So you're becoming partners with these companies. So if the company make profit, you're also making profit because the share value is going up. If the company is not performing so well, the share value is going to go down. So you'll be in loss. So you have to be very careful when you invest in stocks. So as you know, I've been making videos on stocks and mutual funds and other digital assets as well for quite some time. So it's important for me to tell you that you need to understand the basics first. So one important rule is that you need to be investing when the market is low and then take the exit when the market is high. Usually people get in when the market is really high. So everybody is excited. Everybody wants to jump the moving train. That's not a good time to get in general. However, it's still being said the index is going to perform better in the next few weeks and months as well. It might go up to 140k or 150k. So still you have got time to invest. Where you should be investing in for the next few months, I've covered it in my previous stocks video here. You can watch it over here. So now in order to tell you more about the basics, so there are two ways you can get the benefit from a stock. One is by making capital gain. So when you're starting investment, you should be clear, is that what you want? Capital gain is when, for example, you invested in a stock when it was worth rupees 100, and now after 2 months the stock has reached rupees 150, and now you have got a profit of 50 rupees. So if you sell that share now, you'll make a profit of 50. Then you have to pay some tax on that, of course. So that is how the capital gain works. Then there's a long-term advantage, which is through dividend. So if the companies are performing well, they calculate their profit and loss, and then if they've got good profits, then they pay dividends to their shareholders. So that's a very good way to get benefit of the stocks as well. The next important thing is for you to make a portfolio when you're investing in stocks. So by portfolio, I mean you should be diversified across different sectors. So for example, if you are investing in banking sector, so pick one bank or two banks. For example, you can invest in either Mizan or UBL Bank, buy their shares. And then you should also look at some different industries. They should not be linked to each other, so that the performance, if banking is not doing well, then the other one will also be getting hit. So you don't want that. That's why you need industries which are independent of each other. So then look at other industries such as fertilizers. So in there you can invest in agro share. So I'm just giving you examples. So that's what you need to keep in mind, that diversify across different sectors. In addition to that, it's always a good approach to diversify when you're getting the profit. For example, you can invest in some stock which are going to give you short-term return, immediate capital gain based return. And then you can also invest in stocks which are going to give you mid-term or long-term gain in terms of dividend. Some companies, when they perform well, they give you really good dividends. So for example, Mardi Petroleum, that's a good company renowned for giving good, generous dividends. Hupco is also good from that perspective. So I hope that's pretty much it from my side. If you have further questions about the basics, so please let us know in the comments. I'll make sure that I address all of those as well. I hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. And also subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. We've got exciting updates on the way on stocks and other investment assets. Thank you very much for joining today. Bye now.